I finally started something I've been putting off for months. And I just wanted to share where I'm at right now. So right now, I'm not really able to save. I pay my bills, I'm okay, but I'm not building anything. And that doesn't sit well with me. So I decided to try building another income stream. I looked into UGC, which is, so basically I make video for brands that they use the videos for advertisement. Basically I'm selling video for the brands. And the reason why I've been putting off is like I didn't know where to start. And I wanted to start when I know at least what I'm doing, but it never happened. That's why I've been putting off for months. And I was like, if I keep waiting for the moment I know what I'm doing, it's never gonna happen. So I just started this week. So what I did is I made my portfolio and like 4 videos for the portfolio. And then I made a tracker. I don't even know how to use Excel, but I searched how to make it. And it took me like 6 hours to finish it. This tracker shows where I pitch, when I pitch, and when should I follow up if they don't reply. And I set the goal, how much I want to make. It shows like how many percent I achieved. So I mean, it took me 6 hours and I didn't know I actually can focus on something for 6 hours, no break. I was surprised. I'm like, maybe I just didn't know myself. If I do something I really want to do, achieve, then I could focus on it for a long time without distraction. After I finished the file, the tracker, I felt really, really proud. Yeah, I set the goal very high. I know maybe it sounds ridiculous. I set the goal like 8,000 a month. But the first goal is close to brand deals, I mean UGC deals. So now I'm pitching out brands that I'm doing UGC. But the problem is I spend so much time on looking for brands. I searched on Facebook, Instagram, Google, Amazon, like everywhere. Maybe I just don't know how. So it's really hard me to find the right brands to pitch out. But the important thing is that I started. Hopefully we'll make progress at the same time. And actually thinking to make a couple more videos to make my portfolio better. And another thing I worried is, since I spend a lot of time on this, I couldn't make enough videos for my social media channels, like short form videos. Yeah, this is the first week, so I'm finding the balance between this and my social media, just overall. I've sent emails like 25 brands so far. Only one replied that they are not opening for the UGC collaboration at the moment. All the other brands didn't reply. Yeah, I mean this is normal, I think. If there is any way I can find like what the brands looking for UGC creators, that will be very helpful. But yeah, I'm working on it, so I'm gonna find out eventually. I said my goal, that's really high goal. But I set the goal that high because even if I hit the halfway, it's gonna be very helpful. So I wanted to make the goal higher than I actually could achieve. But maybe I can actually achieve the goal. I'm gonna keep trying, keep going, and make this happen. I just wanna give an update why sometimes I didn't upload on the schedule. Yeah, this is why. No results yet. I'm figuring out, still learning, but I'm taking action. I hope I will give you the good news next time. I don't know where this will go, but at least I started. Okay, see you next video. Have a good weekend.